Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about referencing the work of other people in our blogs. So I think that it's good in every now and then to reference somebody else's work, their research, say for example the statistics, how many people potentially use this kind of brand, what genders prefer this brand, for example. This kind of information can be really, really good, but it's always good to provide a source because it shows that you're going out there, you're doing the research, and on top of that, you can also benefit your sources as well. So here's how I like to go through it. So for example, choose the person's name, the author of the blog, states in their blog, and what you do is you have the blog name and you have that as a link directly to their blog. All right. Underneath that, you have the quote in quotation marks, and underneath that, you put your information, like your personal opinions on what they have said, and say how it supports the thesis that you've got that in the blog topic that you're talking about. So I'll give you an example. A couple of years back, I wrote a blog on Yell and the services they provide, and I came across some amazing information from this guy, Danny Richmond. He's absolutely incredible SEO specialist, and basically I used one of his videos to support what I was saying, so that will get people clicking through to his video and it will give him exposure. And he's saying the same sort of stuff that I'm saying as well, because he's noticed the problems. So this made the blog a lot more powerful than it was before. And when I'm referencing people like this, it's really, really good as well because it benefits them. I had a little bit of a conversation with him. Absolutely great guy, 100% recommend. Very, very good on the whole SEO thing. I do SEO myself, so I can say without a shadow of a doubt, this is one heck of a good human being as well, because he's standing up for the good fight. But by being able to say, hey, I'm not just the only person who's noticed this stuff. I'm not the only person who's had to deal with people who've been affected by this stuff. It gives the blog a lot more credibility and it increases its power when it comes to people actually reading it, because otherwise I could just be some bitter whining, okay, I'm a bitter whining sod, but the fact of the matter is, by having these kind of references in the work that I'm producing, I'm saying, hey, this is actually a relevant topic, this is information that I'm not the only one speaking about it, so it's really, really good because it benefits the blog. Anyway, I'm going to start rambling, so I hope this has been helpful. You have a lovely day and I'll catch you later. Bye.